A batch of raw milk in California is being recalled by the manufacturer. The recall is specific to California, but it sparked a larger conversation about the risks of unpasteurized milk. The H5N1 bird flu virus was detected in raw milk sold in California, according to the state's Department of Public Health. No illnesses have been reported in connection to this batch. Raw Farm, the dairy farm that produced the milk, issued a voluntary recall on the product on Sunday, but emphasized follow-up testing produced negative results for the virus.
We're not making a big deal about it because it's not a big deal. That's kind of the awkward thing about this voluntary recall. We have had only negative test results, and so has CDFA.
Bird flu is a virus that typically spreads in wild birds, but more recently has been detected in dairy cows and other mammals. The risk to humans is rare.
For most of us right now, the risk is low. Public health officials are really responding to this avian flu outbreak to try to minimize and contain it so that it doesn't become a more widespread than it already is.
Drinking raw milk has gained new attention because of Robert F. Kennedy Jr., President-elect Donald Trump's pick to be the Secretary of Health and Human Services. Kennedy has promoted raw milk and claimed it has health benefits, a position shared by the CEO and founder of Raw Farm, Mark McAfee.
You have nothing to worry about whatsoever.
But health officials rebut that. The FDA says unpasteurized milk can pose a serious health risk.
Science really doesn't support any kind of benefits of raw milk over the potential risk that you can have in terms of getting infected with things that can seriously cause illness in you.
The sale of raw milk is legal in almost every state, but retail sale of unpasteurized milk is only legal in about a dozen states. The batch of raw milk that was of concern in California was only available in the state. In fact, the FDA prohibits the sale of unpasteurized milk across state lines. And we want to note again that the follow-up tests from the California Department of Food and Agriculture and Raw Farm tested negative for the virus in the raw milk they tested. Katia Tubman, Scripps News, New York.